Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to win Monopoly Go tournaments. Are you looking for a quick guide how to win Monopoly Go tournaments? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we have a few things that you need to take into consideration before playing in Monopoly Go tournaments. The first one is multiplier. The multiplier that you use to throw the dice will also affect the rewards you get when you collect currency. This can make a massive difference in the amount of rewards that you receive. Another one is check the rules. It's very self-explanatory. Save your rolls. If you have a massive stack of rolls waiting to go, you may be better off waiting for a new tournament before you use them. And then there are great rewards in tournaments. So while 500 rolls will be nowhere near enough to place well in a tournament, also remember that you'll be unlocking tournament rewards as you work your way through other tournaments. So another one is last minute push. There is often a last minute push to try to place well in tournaments. So watch out for big ranking changes in the last hour before the tournament ends. And don't start until the end. So there is another theory that we've seen that it goes along with the lines of just don't play the tournament until it closes to finish, until it's near to be finished. Then you start when it's about to end. Don't do that. Start as fast as it could start. So these are the things that you need to consider to win or have a better chance in winning Monopoly Go. Stay tuned because this video is for you. Yeah, it's a video. Peace.